Good morning, YouTube. I have a Templar X, and I had taken out the battery and replaced it, and I'd accidentally put these connectors backwards, and then the bike would not start. But now it will start, and the solution to this is not any relay. Luckily, it's just a little fuse. You'll find this little bottle, and you'll open it, and you'll see this fuse. And it should be broken. I don't know if I can get it because it's super thin. Basically, a wire should be disconnected from one side of the fuse and you can tell it's broken. Then after I replace this with the one they provide, they provide another one in the box up here to replace it and put it in. The bike will start now.